Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a glowing highlight effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, create a duplicate layer of your clip. Hold Alt and drag the layer upward to make a copy. Now go to Effects and search for Find Edges. Drag and drop it to the duplicate layer. Then open Effect Controls and enable the Invert checkbox. Now go back to Effects, search for Tint and drop it on the same duplicate layer. Then search for Levels and drag it in as well. In the Effect Control panel, scroll down to the Level section. Then increase the black input level and decrease the white input level until you get a nice strong outline. Now add Gaussian blur and set the blur value to around 6 for a softer glow. After that, search for 4 color gradient and apply it to the duplicate layer. Then open the blending mode drop down and change it to soft light. This will give you 4 color points that you can customize. Now pick whatever color fits your scene. But for my video, I'm gonna choose red. Now go to Effects again, search for Glow and apply it. Adjust the glow settings however you like. Experiment with glow threshold, radius and intensity until you are happy with the look. Once you're satisfied, add one more Gaussian blur and set this second blur to 3 to smooth everything out. Now scroll all the way up in the Effect Control panel. Under Opacity, change the blend mode to Screen. This will blend the glowing layer smoothly with the original footage. Now at this point, decide where you want the glow to appear in the timeline. For example, I want the effect to start 3-4 frames before the car begins moving. I'll drag the duplicate layer to the right until it lines up exactly where I want the glow to begin. And now create keyframes for scale and opacity. Keep both at 100% at the start. Then at the moment where the car starts moving, increase the scale to 150 and opacity to 0%. Now select all the 4 keyframes, right click, choose ease in, then again right click, choose ease out. Now open the scale property to view this graph. To make the animation extra smooth, grab the left graph handle and drag it all the way to the left, and grab the right handle and drag it all the way to the left. Now make sure the top handle stays perfectly straight. Now we'll do exact same thing inside the opacity graph as well. This is the left handle, drag it to the left, and this is the right handle, drag it to the left too. And that's it. You've got a clean, glowing highlight animation that reacts perfectly with your scene. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you in the next one.